It sang not 3 yards from my head, but she did it so sweet and low. I thought I must be dreaming, or she and me were dead when I met her silent secret. And the secret was watered and warm. It seemed so much more beloved, more than my poor heart has ever known. And why would lady I'm sorry that you just won't fly out of my mind. Or maybe you've just forgotten. Now you're spinning like a sycamore. Try to get it on this diamond, which I could hang all my cares on your saddle and toss them off one by one. I won't mind if we all stand out in the rain, long as, sister, you please stay for this song. Well, I had no need for fine living or a Batman to shine my shoes. As for those hands of all nations, yeah, when they chase a man, I very often lose. But I can sing you the song of your choosing. If I don't know the words which suit the tune, I'll give you the gifts I am able. It's a smiling song in a lone bird's whistle.